My name is Gabriela Coupe. I work for Enbridge Pipelines. This is an energy distribution company. The legal operations team basically manages the technology and also the processes that requires and the data and the reporting analytics that require for the legal department. So for contracting, we look to make sure that we can create, draft, manage contracts, and also moving forward, going more and more into business intelligence perspective. The way we see contracts at Enbridge is an asset. It is an agreement that we have either with our shippers or vendors on providing or receiving a service or a material. 10 years ago, basically on contracts, it was fully on manpower, right? So doing the work manually in a system, putting everything down and storage it and who knows where, which folder. When we were looking and seeking for systems that will allow us to enable contract lifecycle management, it has a good user interface. It allows you to do the drafting right there with your contract within the system, so you don't need to upload, download, and all that. It's connected to the Microsoft platform. And the other one is building workflows in the back end. Another item in there is that it allows you also to build the templates as your needs are required. The benefits we have gone from Icertis: searchability, critical for us to find information, understand where the masters are, but also where the children related to that parent agreement is as well. And the number two is also on data and analytics. What are the type of contracts that we normally negotiate? What are the agreements that we typically use? We want to make sure that the information, not only the agreement is able to move into Icertis, but also the data vendor names, like the value of the contracts, like where is the contract located at? What are the entities that you're working with? So we map, depending on the contract type, what the requirements are, and then that's the data that moves with the contract into the Icertis system. What we see going into contracting, going forward for Enbridge, is we need to go more and more on the prediction side. How do we use it for better drafting? How do we use it to create faster contracts? How do we use the system even for business intelligence? Leverage those terms and conditions and also leverage the commercial terms that we might have in some of those agreements. So that's our path going forward. Capture the data, enabling that data, and then use that data for more prediction purposes.